Hello student, welcome back to maths class, first standard maths. Today we learn here topic number 14, length, long and short. Long and short. See, in the book, this is a green straw, this is a red straw. This is a long straw, green straw is a long, red straw is a short. Okay, see, this one is a rubber eraser, and this one is a which is a painted, that one is a long eraser, and which is a plain, that one is a short eraser. All of you understand? Now see here, this one is a needle, this one is a pin. Needle is a longest and pin is a shortest. Yeah, pin is a shorter than the needle and needle is a longer than the pin. All of you understand? Now see. Exercise. Take the long object and cross the short object in each box. One example has been done. Here is two badminton. Two badminton. One is a long, one is a short. Which is a long? Second one is a long. First one is a short. So tick their long for tick and cross tick for short. See here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 circle is there short, and how many is there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 circle is a with a long, with a join, that one. Okay. So this one is a long, this one is a short. Next one. Number the picture 1, 2, 3, 4 from the shortest to longest. One example has been done. See here. Here is arrows. Short arrow. Which one? First short arrow. Then this one. Then this one. Then this one. If you not understand, keep there your scale and see. Yeah, keep your finger and see which is the long, which is the short. See here. Understand? Now here is a sticks, hammer, bat and see which is a small. First one. Small stick is a matchstick is a small. Then hammer. Then bat. Number 3, right? And hockey stick is a very long, so write there 4 number. See here, red pencil, grey pencil, brown pencil, blue pencil. Brown pencil is a short, then blue pencil, then grey pencil, and then red pencil. D1 is your homework. Okay. See, next one, tall and short. Tall and short. See here, here one man is there, one boy is there. He is father, he is his son. Okay, who is taller? Father is taller, son is shorter. Okay. You compare your with mother or father. Your mother or father is a taller than the you. You are shorter than the your mother and father. See there. Rose plant, coconut plant. See, there rose plant is a shorter than the coconut plant. Yeah, coconut tree. Coconut tree is a taller than a rose plant. Okay. See here. Here is two pencils are there. Which is a taller or which is a short? This one is a tallest and this one is a shortest. Okay. How to compare? Understand? Now, take the taller object, cross the shorter object. Here is a two tree. Here is a two tree. This one is a taller tree, this one is a shorter tree. Taller tree, tick there, shorter tree, cross there. Here is giraffe and deer. Giraffe is very taller and deer is shorter. Look at this picture, tick as the shortest object and cross the tallest object. Camel, fox, zebra. Camel, fox and zebra. You compare them. Which is the shortest? Fox. So tick there and cross objects the tallest. Camel is the tallest. Here is Christmas tree. Which is the shortest? Third number is the shortest. Tick there. Which is the longest? Middle is the longest. Cross the tick. Okay. Now third one topic, measurement. Measurement is there, formula is there. To compare the length two or more objects, we measure their length. Okay. Now you compare your book. How to hand span now? One and half. You compare their length 1 and 2. 2 span is there. We said you compare there na anyone when you play with marble, that time also you take na hand span 1 2, that type you take na, that you call a measurement. Yeah, foot span, you jump there, this one 1 foot 2 foot. See foot span how to come. See this one is your foot span, this one is your foot span. Compare with. When you want foot span, that type you used, na? Yes or no? This one type you used. Okay. Yes or no? Okay. That you call foot span. Now, this one is a cubit. Okay. Using hand. See how do you use this one, here to here, using one span, then again 2 span, 3 span you used. All of you understand? Okay. Today your length topic is completed. Today's homework, page number 72, 73 completed. Okay. This is your activity. You do there, slide the sides of teacher's table. Hand span, cubit, foot span also now do on the table. Yes or no? Hand span you do. You have in the home. Table is there. Hand span do, cubit do. Alright. Side of chair. Chairs also. Okay. Sides of maths book. Now also I show you. That type you do. Lower side board. Okay, that is not in your home. Don't write that one. The length of your classroom. Don't do. There is foot span. Okay. What you do here? The length of your bedroom. Length of your bedroom. Understand? This one. Use the string and measure length of following lines. Take the long line. This one spring, you do the long line and do there. Use the string and measure the length of the following line. Take the long line. Which is the long line? This one and this one. First one is a long line, na? Why? See here. Here is only come this one, one side, but this is in a curve shape is there. So when you do the straight, this one is a long and this one is a short. This one is a common sense question. Okay. Thank you.